Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel Priyansa856. In this video tutorial I'm gonna guide you on how to boost your phone performance, speed. Okay, in case you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new content. So let me show you. So head over to your settings app. Okay, come right here and click on this. Okay, system, just like that. So go ahead and click on this like this. Okay, so you should go ahead and click on about phone. Okay, right here. Okay, so you shall be prompted to this page. Okay, so here what we need to do is to look at developer options. I think you can see here build number. Click on it 5 times. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you should click on it 7 times, depending on your phone. Some phones you could click 5 times, but as long as you can see this, you are now a developer. Okay, so click back. So now you are already a developer. So you have to come and click here on developer options. Okay, scroll down like this. Okay, so maybe let me first try to show you. In case I try to play video, I think you can see that it is somehow slow. I think you're seeing the way it is moving, but after enabling what we are doing, I will show you and you see the difference. So in the animation scale, put it on 0.5, then the animation scale also 0.5, animated duration scale 0.5, and then you can click back. So let's go and try again and see the way this one will move. Let's try to see. Are you seeing the way it is moving? So it has changed. So guys, thanks for watching. So let me try to show you in another video. I think you can see that is the way it works. Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel.